Hey guys and gals, let's get into it. This is super, super, super hot. It's brand new. I mean, holy smokes, this is on fire. What you're looking at here is text to app anything, CreateAnything.com. It's brand new. They just received 11 million, or was it 110? I forget. Millions of dollars in new funding. And this is kind of in line with yesterday's video, or today's video actually, where I talked to a fitness coach about how to sell programs and how to build up essentially more revenue for his business. That's not what this is about, but it is connected, because one of the things that we all come across, and I certainly do, is what is a app that I can use for my own use? Because I go to the gym almost every day, especially for weightlifting, I want an app that I can use and I can customize to my needs. And the notion of vibe coding comes into play here. And I have other videos on this channel about vibe coding. And today I'm going to show you a stellar tool, an example of a fitness app that is ready to deploy to Apple Store. I mean, how cool is this? And yes, this is about your use first, but the idea that you can make money from this, it's right there. So I want to just take you through this, and you can go to CreateAnything.com and get started for free. So let's log in here and let me share with you what I did. So I came in and I said, listen, give me an app that I can use personally. When I go to the gym, I want to be able to track my activities. I want to track the exercises, yes, but I want to be able to put in my variables. I want to be able to track it over time, and I want a weekly or daily summary. Plus, most importantly, over time, I want to see the actual progress. So I haven't added graphing and things like this yet, but you can totally do that. And look at this app here, guys and gals, right here. Today's workout, September 30th. Here's the exercises that's been outlined. By the way, I can go to the database here and I can add it myself. These guys automatically tie in a database. All the back-end infrastructure is built in, which is different than some of the other vibe coding apps. And these guys are ex-Googlers and tremendous talent here when it comes to, obviously, technology programming, but understanding the business opportunity here. And I'm going to link to this in the description of this video. But dudes, girls, dudettes, man, how cool is this? So let's just go through it. So today I have a couple of tabs here at the bottom. I'm working on this progress thing. But anyway, I am in for some bicep curls today. Okay, great. Let's see. How much weight do I want to do here? I'm going to do 125. And I'm going to do 5 reps. Great. So I'm going to record that. I can pick triceps extensions. That's another set here. By the way, I'm going to make a change to this. I'm going to actually add timers to this, because I'd like to, how long did it take me to run this stuff? I got to get in here. So for triceps, we're just going to do 50, and I'm going to do 3. And also another thing I'm going to add here is what type of triceps. It says tricep extensions, but there's tricep overheads, tricep pull downs. Anyway, but this is so easy to change, guys. And I'm making this app mine so that I can use it and track it. Another big one that I like to use is lat pull downs. And here we're going to go 220, which is where I'm up to right now. I'm going to just do 3 on that one. Okay, great. I can pick and choose. By the way, what's really, really good here about this particular application, unlike the others, is it's instant mobile friendly. I can deploy this out, which I did, to my mobile phone. And I'm going to be starting to use this app probably tomorrow. Okay, first run. And I can save these workouts right now. Yes, it worked. At first it didn't work, but I told it I need a database capability and I need you to fix this error instantaneously. These guys fixed it. So there's no history here to look at for today. But I had run this yesterday, and you can see here Monday I had bicep curls, lat pull downs, tricep. Sunday, bicep curls, lat pull and tricep. I think this was actually broken by the time I did this. But can you see the power of this here? Insane is what we're calling this. So the progress here, I did add some graph actually, but I haven't completely gotten this going. I want to see a spark line here rather than this. So I may change this to have different formats in terms of the layout and the structure. And then of course the idea is I can run this over time, all time, last 30 days, this week, etc. And I want to be able to track it as I go. I want to be able to customize it. I want to be able to add a timer. And here's the best of all. I want to actually get it on my phone quickly. What these guys did, which again is different than the other ones that I've tested, even though Replit actually has the capability through Safari to create an app right on your phone, you simply scan your phone on the good old QR code here, and you install this Expo Go app, and boom, you are up and running. Insane. I mean, is that a word? Yes, it is. It is insanity. And then I click Save Workout. Same thing, same functionality, exactly as you see it here. And it totally works. And the thing that I'm the most excited about out of the business opportunity and the money you can make with this by deploying apps is that it actually works with a few turnarounds, right? It's not like some of the others, which, by the way, I do love Replit, I have to say. But, you know, there's more turnarounds. You know, if you want to fix something, one turnaround, two turnarounds, it's done. I mean, it's insane. Super, super cool here. I am just super fired up about this. Clearly, I can come in here and I can look at the database, and this is let's see. This is I forget the database, but anyway, they implement this immediately for you. Another thing that I like here is I can come over to the questions area and ask it because I don't want to necessarily see this, right? If I'm not a programmer, just ask it, run a query, and show me the different exercises in a database table, and it just displays it here on the left-hand side, and that's it. Let me see here if I can size this out. I guess it's not working, the sizing here. Who cares? It is so good, guys. You have to get into this, and it's CreateAnything.com. And let's go back to today. So next thing. I asked the owners here, or the agent rather, what if I wanted to deploy to Apple Store? I mean, Jesus. Yeah, no problem. You can just deploy. There's a publish button. Pick mobile or web, and under mobile you can deploy it out to the Apple Store. Apple Store requires is it a $99 or $199 deposit, I'll call it, basically the key to get in, and then submit. Now there's going to be some things you have to get approved, but you have to stipulate the app, what the app usage or what it's for, what the app's for. You have to have proper descriptions. You have to create logos and essentially make sure that you're optimizing for the Apple Store, as you have seen many of the popular apps do out there. So, but this is the only vibe coding tool that I've seen so far that goes straight to the Apple Store, meaning you publish with a click of a button after you've submitted their subscription fees there. And I asked some other questions here where I asked, how often can I update? You know, you can update every 2 to 3 days. Apple approves in 2 to 4 hours, much faster than before. Previously, it took 7 to 14 days. I mean, yeah, Apple have gotten in the game big time, as have these guys. And one interesting thing is you can use back-end APIs to update instead of just going all through here. So there's a lot of different capabilities that you have to talk to this system and to have it work for you. So I highly advocate this. And let me just summarize. So from the beginning of this video, I talked about a great system. Well, a great system for what? Well, vibe coding applications. But more importantly than just vibe coding, the idea that you can get these mobile apps up and running for yourself. And if you see that there's traction on this, you might be able to sell it or give it away for free initially to friends and family. And you know, my coach at the gym, he's going to get one, right? Test it out, get feedback, normal cycle, iterate, make it better, and then publish version 1.0, and then keep upgrading. So if you like this stuff, just go to CreateAnything.com and start playing around. And you're going to be amazed. This is just over the top. I haven't seen anything that works so well and that is so on point. This is a sign of the times, and clearly these guys are on it because they have not only done a great job here, but they are getting big investment money. And I think they just started at the beginning of this year, and it's just going faster and faster and faster. Clearly there's money opportunities here. There's revenue to be made. And also, if you're a coach, consultant, an expert in the field that we operate in, you can provide this, well, not necessarily this app, but provide apps that are customized to your business and deploy it out to your clients, which is a phenomenal value add. And the usefulness of this cannot be underestimated. So, yeah, again, check this out. Go to CreateAnything.com and off you go. I am not actually paid by them or sponsored by them. I just love it so much. So I'm going to be really digging in myself. And as you know, on this channel, I talk about, you know, basically revenue opportunities through business and revenue growth, income growth. And coaches and consultants are the primary area that we operate within the agency. So if you need any help on that, go ahead and click the links underneath or at the top of the channel. We're happy to jump on and we can talk through some of this stuff. We provide services. This is the pitch of the day. We provide services in this area of traffic, leads, and sales, but we also like to help out. And that's why I wanted to create this video for now and get you going, get you fired up, get you excited, man. Life is short, as I've said before. We got to get some of this stuff out. And if you're just kicking back, man, it is time to go. So hope this reaches you in a spirited manner, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, take it easy.